boys and girls. Today we are going to identify and use prepositions. We will create a prepositional anchor chart. And this is where we're going to do this so that we can make our writing more interesting. But first, let me kind of give you an example about what prepositions are. Okay. Where is the paper? On my face, in front of my face. That's a preposition. On, in front of. Where is the paper now? On my head, over my head, on top of my head, stuck in my hair. Where is the paper now? The paper is where? Behind me. Behind me. Now where is it? In front of me. Now where is it? It's on the side. It's next to me. What about now? The paper is where? Around me. Very good. Okay, what about if I'm stepping on it now? Sorry, Miss Moore. It's under me. It's below. What did we say this one was? Or did we say? Above, over. Very good. Those are examples of prepositions. Prepositions tell you where a noun is. All right, so we are going to draw something called, it's a prepositional anchor chart. That means it's going to be pictures that show you what prepositions are. And you're going to draw this in your journal today. So prepositions, prepositions. Okay, prepositions. Okay, you're going to write that at the top of your journal. And basically, prepositions are anywhere a mouse might go. Anywhere a mouse might go. Anywhere a mouse might go. So we're going to draw, I say we, you're going to draw this in your journal as well, but you don't have to do it right now. You can watch me first. Okay, so you're going to draw a table. Okay. A table has how many legs? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's the table. The table. Now, think about where a mouse might go in your house. Or if there was a table, where would the mouse go if he saw a table? He could go where? Where is this mouse now? He is on the table. That's right. He is on the table. Where else could he be? Up here. Remember when the paper was up here? That's right. He was on the table. He could be above the table. On and above are prepositions that tell where the mouse is. What about if the mouse is over here, peeking out. Peeking out from behind. Whoop, I almost gave it away. All right. He's way down here. Where is he? He is behind the table. He is peeking out behind the table. Okay. Where would our little mouse be if he was? Ah, there's a good one. Right there. Now, where is our little mouse? Yeah, he is under the table. Just like the paper was under my feet. What's another word for under? Below. Below the table. Under and below tell where the mouse is there. What about if the mouse is over here somewhere? He's over here now. So is he on it? Under it? No, he is beside the table now. He is beside the table. Beside. So we have above, on, under, below, behind, beside. What else can we put for where a mouse can go? Another word for below, like if I made him even lower. This could be, or this is, beneath. Don't worry, you're going to get a better picture to copy. This mouse is beneath the table. That's even lower than below. Okay? Under, below, beneath. Behind, beside, above, on. Where else can a mouse go? Okay, well this one is beside. This one, let's see. He's kind of close. My mice are getting sleepier and sleepier. This mouse happens to be next to. He is next to the table. Next to the table. Can you see that? X got a little wonky. All right, so then let's draw another mouse that's kind of beside, kind of next to. This little guy happens to be near the table. Near the table. Okay, another word for near is close to. He is close to the table. What about if somebody is coming this way? Coming at you this way. They are coming toward. So this mouse over here, this little guy, that's the back. He is going toward the table. Toward the table. Okay? So all of these prepositions tell anywhere a mouse can go. And you are going to copy this anchor chart in your journal, take a picture of it, and turn it into your Google Classroom. Okay, now, on the next slide after the video, there is a fun game, a Kahoot game with prepositions. You just click on the link, and then it'll take you into the game, and you can play the game about prepositions. You can even look at your anchor chart while you're playing the game. Don't forget that you're going to copy this anchor chart. You can look at the one on right after the video. That's a little nicer on the eyes. But let's review what we talked about today. First of all, a preposition is anywhere a noun is, okay? Or anywhere a mouse might go. And prepositions are above, on, next to, behind, under, below, beneath, toward, near, close to, beside. These are just some prepositions. There are many, many prepositions. But we need to remember a few of them so that our writing can be more interesting. Every time we write, we can add something new to our writing. A new detail or a new word. But these are prepositions. They tell where a noun is located or anywhere a mouse might go. We'll see you later. Bye.